explain.
Young men, I'd like to know, we would all like to know, why do you deserve a Slurpee from 7-Eleven?
Here's our opening case.
No.
No.
Chandler, do
Nick,
it
you
without
go
opening
first,
the
and then
case.
you go.
We moved all the, what we did was we took the logs, we moved them all the way across the yard. We took the thing that they were
Pallet?
sitting on, the pallet, and we moved it all the way on the other side too. And then we had to take the other ones and we had to put them back on.
Aha.
Also,
So you did all this hard labor.
well, he just cut branches.
Aha. And I do recall when you came into the house, your feet and your hands were filthy dirty, so that is a good sign that you worked hard. Right?
And I would like to add to my fellow defendants that there is a rule that we do not make when friends come over. Then we do not make our friends work when they come over. So I believe that we do need to be rewarded, because when friends are over, it's a time to play, not a time to work.
So, what you're saying is your friend should get a Slurpee.
I said both of us,
Well, what have you done?
I helped. We both helped, and you didn't understand. The rule is we get to play with our friends. We don't have to work, and neither does our friend.
I understand, but I'm just asking you, what did you do? He already said what he did.
We both moved logs. We both moved the pallet.
Right.
What about mine?
And
So let's just get to the point here. Do they deserve it or not? Do they deserve?
I believe so.
I think they deserve a
I never
Slurpee
said
plus a
I
candy
witness
bar.
to you.
Yes! No, even better. A bag of Skittles. 43 ounces.
What's 43 ounces? Not 43
It's a
ounces.
bag this big full of Skittles.
Oh no!
For both of us.
I think you
To
deserve
share.
one
Candy
bag
bar
Well,
and a
what-
of
Slurpee.
one candy bar, and one Slurpee, or one little bag of Skittles, and one.
Or a candy bar.
Yep, something under $1 plus a Slurpee.
We have made the deal.
All right? Is that a deal?
And you have this recorded. It is a deal. If Dad goes back on it, we can sue him and gain what we lost.
We can sue him for.
I hear thunder. I think y'all should get on the road right now.
Yes.